Okay, show us your check. Get those videos. I want to show you this time. Yeah, we gotta take another video, huh? Yeah, Mama showed you your bad parts. We don't want to show that to everyone online. Eat those beef. Eat those beef. All curled up. You ready to get your jam jams on now? You done doing naked time? That just doesn't look very comfy. Okay, let's get jam jams on.